And Julie's sister, Laurie, do you want to tell us about you?
Had to unmute myself. Hi, everybody. Yes, for those of you that don't know, my name is Laurie and I'm Julie's sister. My story is similar to Julie's. It started about the same time hers did. She had COVID and she almost died. And afterwards, we both said, we looked at each other because I was bigger than she was. I was over 300 pounds. And after she recovered from COVID, we looked at each other and said, we have to do something. We have to do something. And we floundered, didn't do much. We floundered, talked about it, but we didn't do it. Then she finds out she has to have a hip replacement. And she called me and she said, I need to lose 45 pounds for this hip replacement. Will you do this with me? And I said, sure. So I went on a diet. And I was one of those people that, like Marcy said, I would eat those Oreos and I would put those in my calorie journal. So I'm counting, $120 or 120 calories for Oreos. That's part of my day. Not thinking much of it. I lost a little bit of weight, a couple pounds here and there. And meanwhile, Julie is stalking Marcy. I didn't know anything about Marcy at that point. And then Julie eventually joins her program and she started talking about the whole cellular nutrition thing. And I began to become fascinated by it. So I was like picking her brain for information, and whatever Julie would learn from Marcy, she would share with me. And then I decided to join the program. So I did. And I think it was probably July of last year I joined. So I've been with Marcy now a year and a quarter, maybe. And she has changed my life. She has saved my life. This program has saved my life, just like Julie's. In that year and a half, I've lost 100 pounds and I have come off 3 prescription medications, 3 over-the-counter medications, and another prescription medication has been decreased by half. I was on the fast track to knee replacement. I had a doctor tell me, in fact, right after Julie had the hip replacement, an orthopedic said about a year, which would be this summer, we're going to have to do a replacement. And I was getting, the pain was so bad, I was getting those steroid shots every few months, Once I immersed myself in the program and made the dairy cut, every once in a while, like if I've been on the treadmill, I'll feel some pain in my knee, but I haven't had the steroid shots. I haven't had to go back and see that doctor. The pain is just gone. Yeah. My diabetes is pretty much reversed. I am still on 1 medication, but off 2 others, and got fired in a good way by my endocrinologist. Just all good things. My blood pressure medication's been cut in half. I'm hoping to be like Nadine and get off from it one day, but it's only been a year I've been doing this. So it took Nadine 3, so I'll be there. I'll come off. Cholesterol medicine gone. Like Nadine, for my knees, I used to live on Tylenol and Motrin. No more. I don't use it anymore. I used to have to, every night to sleep, I had to take an Ambien, and sometimes I would take a melatonin on top of the Ambien. I take nothing now. I go to bed and I fall asleep, but I sleep all night long. I am a new woman. I have energy that I haven't had in like forever, I don't think. So it's just amazing. I can't say enough good things about the program. And at work, if somebody questions me, oh, what are you doing? I don't shut up about it. I just can't. I'm sure they think, well, this woman shut up, but it's like, I just can't tell people enough how much the knowledge that Marcy gives us helps if you put it to use. Like Marcy always says, I give you the information, but you have to put it to use. And you will, because once you get the information, once you get that knowledge, you're going to be like, I can't put that stuff in my body anymore. Yeah. It makes you conscious of everything you put in your body. Yeah. So immerse yourself.
That is awesome. No, you're fine. That's